Hello UGC.net champs, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever felt stuck on UGC.net Paper 1 reading comprehension questions? Then this video is just for you. Reading comprehension questions can seem overwhelming because there is a passage to read which is often very long or complicated, questions to answer from it, and the clock is always ticking. But what if I told you that there is a proven way to solve these questions faster and more accurately every single time? RC questions have a 100% chance of appearing. So you simply cannot afford to miss out on those free marks. That's why in this video, I will share the best strategy to tackle reading comprehension questions. We will also look at common mistakes to avoid. And finally, I will demonstrate exactly how to apply these tips with an example from a previous year UGC.net question. By the end of this video, you will be ready to master reading comprehension like a pro. Friends, if you are looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can refer to the Unit 10 questions in my UGC Net Paper 1 book that provides you with 6500 plus solved unit-wise questions with detailed solutions and hints. But hey, what if you are looking for online mock tests that can help you practice questions in online exam format? If that's what you are looking for, you can join our newly updated online mock test series with a wide range of full-length tests available on the Arpita Karwa learning app. These tests perfectly replicate the UGC NET exam interface, providing you with a real-life exam experience. Plus, after each test, you'll receive a detailed performance report and see where you stand in the All India leaderboard. Before we dive into strategies, let us try a quick experiment to understand how focus works. Take a quick look at this image. You have 5 seconds to view it carefully. Now, close your eyes. Can you tell me how many hens were in the image? Most people find it difficult to remember the exact number. Why is this? It is because your attention was spread across everything in the image, not just the hens. Now, look at the picture again, but this time focus only on counting the hens. You will notice there are 2 hens and you can find them quickly and accurately. The difference between these two experiences is that when you knew what to look for, your brain focused on relevant details and ignored distractions. This simple experiment is very similar to how reading comprehension works. Friends, you'll be glad to know that my UGC Net Paper 1 book has been praised for its innovative teaching style by the legendary Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Further, if you're looking for video lectures that can explain the plot of important works of Paper 2 English, then consider enrolling in my online course for UGC Net English. I'm proud to launch India's first animated video course, where I've explained over 500 important plays, novels, and poems in an engaging way. For more details, check out the description box. There are 2 ways to approach reading comprehension questions. First, there is the passage to question method, also called the top-down approach. In this method, you read the entire passage first. Then you look at the questions and try to find answers. This approach is like the first experiment, where you try to remember everything without knowing what is important. It slows you down and makes it harder to find the answers. Second, there is the question to passage method, also known as the bottom-up approach. Here, you first read the questions carefully. Then you go back to the passage to find the answers. Like the second experiment, this method lets you focus on what really matters. It speeds up your reading and improves accuracy. This is why you should use second, the bottom-up approach. Your speed increases when you only look for specific information. It also helps you avoid wasting time on irrelevant parts of the passage. Many students stick to reading the whole passage first. However, switching to the focused bottom-up method can save you at least 30% of your time during the exam. Friends, if you're looking for your one-stop solution to all your Paper 1 preparation, then look no further than my Amazon bestseller, a book in which we have explained complex topics of UGC.net Paper 1 using real-life examples, images, and diagrams. In fact, our courseware on UGC Net Paper 1 book is India's only UGC Net book that comes with 100 plus video lectures and 4000 plus unit-wise solved PYQs. Now that you understand which approach works best, let me share a step-by-step method to solve reading comprehension questions efficiently. The first step is to read the questions carefully. Pay close attention to important keywords. Take mental notes because they will tell you exactly what to look for in the passage when you read it. The second step is to skim through the passage quickly. Skimming means getting a general idea of the passage without focusing on every single word. Focus on the introduction and conclusion paragraphs as they usually contain the main ideas. Also, pay attention to the topic sentence of each paragraph because it guides you about the content that follows. Skimming saves time and gives you a rough roadmap of where important information might be found. The third step is to scan the passage. Scanning means looking over the text to find specific keywords from the questions. When you find the relevant section, read it carefully to understand the answer. And finally, the last step is to answer the questions based on what you have found in the passage. Remember, always base your answers on the passage itself and not on your prior knowledge or assumptions. This is a short strategy to tackle reading comprehension questions with speed and accuracy. For more such informative videos wherein we explain the most important topics and strategies for UGC.NET paper, 1 inch less than 15 minutes, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. And don't forget to check out our playlist section, where we've organized unit-wise playlists for UGC.NET paper 1. This way, you can find all the video lectures for each unit together, making your preparation so much easier. Now, let us look at some of the most common mistakes that students make while solving reading comprehension questions and how to avoid them. Firstly, while skimming is useful, make sure you still read carefully. Skipping key details can lead to wrong answers. Secondly, avoid reading too quickly or too slowly. Reading too fast means missing information, and reading too slow wastes time. With regular practice, you can find the pace that works best for you. Next, always read the questions properly. Misreading them means you might search for the wrong thing. Take a moment to understand exactly what is being asked. Also, do not rush through the answer options. Sometimes more than one option looks correct. Take your time to compare them and pick the most accurate one. Make sure you practice regularly. The more you solve, the better you get at spotting patterns, understanding tone, and managing time. There's no shortcut around this one. Friends, if you are looking for PYQs to practice, you can refer to the Unit 10 questions in my UGC.NET Paper 1 book, which provides you 4,000 plus solve unit-wise questions with detailed solutions and hints. But hey, what if you are looking for online mock tests that can help you practice questions in an online exam format? If that's what you are looking for, you can join our newly updated online mock test series with a wide range of full-length tests available on the Arpita Karwa learning app. These tests perfectly replicate the UGC.NET exam interface, providing you with a real-life exam experience. Plus, after each test, you'll receive a detailed performance report and see where you stand in the All India leaderboard. It's a great way to identify your strengths and weaknesses and level up your preparation. Next, if a question feels too difficult, do not get stuck. Move ahead and come back to it later if you have time. While reading, try to stay focused. Visualize what you are reading or mentally summarize as you go. This helps avoid distractions. Pay attention to transition words like however, therefore, or moreover. These words often signal a change in tone or meaning. Never ignore the introduction or conclusion of a passage. These usually contain the main ideas and a helpful summary. And finally, always base your answers on what is written in the passage, not on what you already know. Trust the text, not your memory. Now, let us put this strategy into practice. Consider this passage that has appeared in the UGC NET exam. First, we read the questions. The first one asks about the time when suffrage was attained. The second is about identifying the false statement. The third asks about the main concept of the passage. The fourth is about checking which statement is true. And the last one asks what women were deprived of. So we keep keywords like suffrage, status, concept, and deprived in mind. Next, we skim the passage. The introduction says women didn't gain rights easily. It took struggles and sacrifices. Later, it mentions that by the late 18th century, women's status became a political issue. In the 19th century, women demanded equality, leading to suffrage victories by the late 19th century. Now, we scan for answers and mark them. We find the phrase attainment of suffrage by the late 19th century. That answers the first question. So, the correct answer is the late 19th century. The first line says clearly this was not an easy or natural process. So, any option that claims it was is false. So, the correct answer is B prime. This passage talks about equal rights for women, such as voting and the economic, political, and social standing of women. So, it is clear that the concept of the passage is rooted in B by feminism. The passage talks about how it took women relentless struggles and profound sacrifice to achieve this status. So, B is the correct answer. And throughout, we see women had to fight for equality. That's what they were deprived of. So, the correct answer is D. And that's how you solve reading comprehension like a pro. By the way, who doesn't love free stuff? If you want even more past year questions on this topic without spending a penny, head over to our website. Under the past year paper tab, you'll find all the PYQs from 2012 onwards. Ours is the only website that offers 150 plus official UGC.net paper, one question papers with authentic answer keys for absolutely free. So go ahead and grab those free resources while you can. Friends, solving reading comprehension is about smart focus rather than reading harder. If you follow the strategy we discussed today, I guarantee your speed and accuracy will improve dramatically. That's it from my side for this video lecture. We'll meet very soon in the next video. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to my channel.